Good morning, students. Today we are going to solve few example problems on areas of combination of plane figures. So in these problems we will have combination of two or more figures. So see first example problem. In figure, two circular flower beds. In this figure we have two circular flower beds which are at two opposite sides of the square. This is ABCD is a square line, and at two on the side of AB we have one circular bed, and on side of DC also we have one circular bed, and we have the side of this ABCD lawn 56 meters, right? So we have the one side length of square. ABCD is a square, and we have two circular beds at AB. On the AB side we have one circular bed, on DC side we have one circular bed, right? O is what? It is the intersection point of two diagonals, and in the square we know that diagonals are perpendicular. So everywhere this will be 90 degrees, this will be 90 degrees, this will be 90 degrees, right? And see what we are going to find the sum of the areas of lawn and the flower beds. We have to find area of the lawn, that means ABCD area, and we have to find these flower beds areas also. After finding these two areas, we have to add area of circle and plus areas of these two circular beds, right? So what we have, what is given, only side of the square is given. So using that information I am going to solve the problem, right? Now solution, we have side of square, AB, BC, CD, DE is equal to what? 56 meters. Now I will find area of the lawn. First of all I am going to find area of the lawn. Area of the lawn ABCD. Area of the lawn ABCD is equal to. So what is the formula of area for square? Side square. Side length is 56. So 56 whole square, right? 56 into 56 meter square, right? I got area of the square. Now I will find area of this flower bed, one flower bed. How we can get this? See, observe here, this is segment. This is the chord of the circle and this is the arc of the circle. So this is the segment. We are going to find area of the segment. So to find area of the segment, I will find the area of the sector. From that sector, I will remove the area of the triangle, right? Now I am going to find area of the sector. Before finding the area of the sector, OA is the radius. Why? Because O is the center of the circle. OA, OB are the radius. So we need radius. We have angle already 90 degrees. We need radius. So I am going to find OA, OB. So I am taking OA as x, OB as x. Why? Because in a square diagonals are equal and bisect each other. So this length will be same. And check it. O is the center of the circle. So OA, OB are radius. So I am taking radius as x. Then if radius as x, what is the value of x? How we can find? In triangle OAB. By Pythagoras theorem, I am applying Pythagoras theorem. This is hypotenuse, these two are sides. So 56 square is equal to x square plus x square. 56 into 56 is equal to 2x square. 228. So x square equal to what we got? 56 into 28. X square is 52, 56 into 28. Okay, is the length meter. Right, now I am going to find area of the sector. This is x square value, 56 into 28, and we got area of square also. I am writing here area of square ABCD. Area of square ABCD is 56 into 56. Right, and now I am going to find area of the sector. Area of the sector. OAPB. Area of the sector OAPB, theta by 360 into pi r square. theta by 360 pi r square. Theta is 90 by 360 into pi 22 by 7. R square means x square. R square means x square. 0 0 cancel, 9 4s are. So 22 by 4 into 7 r square x square. So 56 into 28. 4 7 are 28, 7 7 cancel. So this is 22 into 56 meter square. This is the area of the sector. I will write here area of sector. Area of sector OAPB. OAPB is equal to 22 into 56. Now I am going to find area of triangle. I got sector area now. Now I am going to find area of triangle. Area of triangle OAB is equal to half into base into height. Half into what is the base? If OB is the base, OA is the height. Why? Because here we have 90 degrees. So x into x. 1 by 2 x square. Again x square value 1 by 2 of 56 into 28. Right? 228. 28 into 28 meter square is the area of the triangle. Now from the sector area I will subtract this triangle area. Automatically you will get segment area. Now area of triangle OAB is what? 28 into 28. 28 into 28. Now I am going to find area of flower bed. Area of flower bed. Flower bed APB. APB is equal to area of sector. Area of sector OAPB minus area of triangle OAB. Area of sector what we got? 22 into 56. 22 into 56 minus area of triangle 28 into 28. Right? This is the area of one flower bed meter square. Like that, how many flower beds are exist? 2 flower beds. So area of sum of the directly I am going to find what we required. Sum of the areas of lawn and 2 flower beds. And 2 flower beds. 2 flower beds. Area of lawn. So area of square. Area of square ABC. Already we got 56 into 56 plus 2 into area of each flower bed. Each flower bed. Right? Already I got area of each flower bed. So that equal to area of the square is 56 into 56. I substituted here area of square is 56 into 56 plus 2 into area of each flower bed is 22 into 56 minus 28 into. This is the required answer. You can simplify this, multiply, then add it, then you will get the answer. Now example 2. See, we have the figure and what we are going to find the area of the shaded region. We are going to find area of the shaded region. In the figure where ABCD is a square and whose side is 14 centimeters. So it is ABCD is a square, we have its side length 14 centimeters. So to get this shaded region, observe the figure, we have to find area of the square, you will get total area. From that area you have to subtract these 2 circle areas. To get the circle area, what we need radius of the circle. See, observe here, this is the sum of, see here, by joining like this is the diameter of a circle, this is diameter of the second circle. So 14 is equal to sum of 2 diameters of the circles. To get one diameter of the circle, you have to divide 14 by 2. You will get one diameter. If you know the diameter of one circle, we can get the radius of the circle. Right? Now solution. First I will find area of the square. Given side of the square. Side of the square. Side of the square ABCD. is 14 centimeters. Area of the square. Area of the square. Area of the square is equal to. What is the area of the square? Side square. Side square. What is the side length? 14. So 14 into 14. 14 into 14. 196 centimeter square. 196 centimeter square. Right? Now I got area of the square. Now I am going to find first of all diameter of the circle. How we can get diameter of the circle? Divided 14 by 2. Right? Diameter of each circle. Diameter of each circle. In the figure. In figure. Is equal to 14 by 2. That is 7 centimeters. This is the diameter. Radius, that implies radius of each circle. Radius of each circle. Radius of each circle. Radius of each circle is r equal to 7 by 2 centimeters. Now area of each circle. Area of each circle. What is the formula for area of circle? Pi r square. Pi 22 by 7. R square 7 by 2 into 7 by 2. 7 cancel, right? 2 11s are. So 77 by 2. 77 by 2 is circle area. Now, how many circles are exist in this? 4 circles. Now area of 4 circles. Area of 4 circles is equal to 4 into 77 by 2. 2 2 the 2 7 the 14. 1 carry 2 7 154 centimeter square. 4 circles. Sum of the 4 circles area. Now I need shaded region. So from the total square area, already we got total square area and we got 4 circles, sum of the 4 circles area also. So from the area of the square I will subtract these 4 areas. Now area of required, area of shaded region, area of shaded region. We are going finding the area of shaded region. Now area of shaded region is equal to what? Area of the square. Area of the square. Area of the square ABCD minus area of 4 circles. Area of or sum of the areas. We can write sum of the areas. Sum of the areas of 4 circles. Areas of 4 circles. We got area of the square. What is the area? 14 into 14 already we found 196 centimeter square. My sum of the 4 circles area is 154. 196 minus 154 will be 42 centimeter square is the required shaded region area. Okay, right. Now let us do exercise 12.3. Exercise 12.3 first problem. I am going to start exercise 12.3 first problem. What is given? Find the area. Find the area of the shaded region. Shaded region in figure. If PQ is 24 centimeters, PQ is 24 centimeters, PR is 7 centimeters, PR is 7 centimeters, and O is the center of the circle. Center of circle. O is the center of circle. Now we have this figure. here we have QR as diameter. So here we have the center O. OP, PQR is triangle, one triangle, and we have PQ length, this is 24, and we have PR, this is 7 centimeters, right? Now we are going to find shaded region, this area, this shaded region and this one. We need to find this shaded region area, right? Now observe here, we don't know this triangle is right angle triangle or not, but we know that in circles a diameter, or this is the half circle, no? This is semicircle, this is semicircle. In semicircle angle is 90 degrees, so you know that condition. So by that condition we can say P is, at P we have 90 degrees, so clearly it is right angle triangle. So if you know this is 90 degrees, we can find this hypotenuse. After finding the hypotenuse, you can find the radius. This is a diameter, no? Half of the diameter, radius. We will have the radius and we will have the angle. So OQR, suppose I am taking this, OQPQSR is what? It is a sector. From total circle area, if you remove the sector area, automatically you will get shaded region. Okay, right. Now I am writing given information. What is given? Given PQ, PR. Solution. Given PQ is 24 centimeters, PR is 7 centimeters, right? And in figure, QR is diameter. So clearly in semicircle angle is 90 degrees. So that implies angle P 90 degrees. So if angle P 90 degrees, then that implies triangle PQR is right triangle. Right triangle. So I am going to find QR here by using Pythagoras theorem. By Pythagoras theorem, we know QR square equal to PR square plus QP square. PR square 7 square plus QP square 24 square. What is 24 square value? 4 for the 16 1, 4 to the 8 9, 2 for the 8, 2 to the 4 6 7 5 576, 7 7 the 49. This is 576. QR square is equal to 576 plus 49, 5 1 here, 8 12 1 625. 625 means QR is 25. Now I got QR. What is QR? QR is the diameter of circle. Now I got QR also. I will write here. QR is 25. Now radius. I am going to find radius of circle. R equal to QR by 2. That is 25 by 2. Now I am finding area of sector. I am taking point S here. Area of sector I am denoting it by PQRS is equal to theta by 360 into pi r square. Theta is what? 90 by 360, pi 22 by 7, r square 25 by 2 into 25 by 2. 0 plus 4, right? 211. Now what we got here, area of sector is 11 into 25 the 625 by 2 4 are 8, 8 7 are 56. 11 into 625 by 56 is area of the sector. Now area of the sector, I am subtracting area of the sector from the circle area. What is the circle area? Circle area. Circle area equal to pi r square. Pi 22 by 7 r square. What is r? Half of 25. So 25 by 2 into 25 by 2. Now shaded region. Therefore shaded region. Area of shaded region is equal to, from circle area I am subtracting sector area. Circle area minus sector area. Sector area. Right. Circle area, that implies circle area, what we got? 22 by 7 into 25 by 2 into 25 by 2. This is circle area minus. This is circle area minus. This is sector area. Right? Now what is the answer here? 4 4 7s are 28. 28 into 22 into 625 plus, so subtraction, no? Here minus 11 into 625 by 56. What is the LCM? LCM is 56. 56 is LCM. So 2 times of 22 into 625 minus 11 into 625. By taking 625 common from the numerator, 44 minus 11 by 56. 625 into 33 by 56 centimeter square is the required area of the shaded region. Right?